In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project library in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, open DaVinci Resolve and look down to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see the Home button there. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the Project Manager area, which is where you can view, organize and create the places where your Resolve projects are stored. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. It's very straightforward once you know where everything is. After you're in the Project Manager, move your attention to the top left corner of the window. There you'll find the sidebar icon. Click that to open the sidebar. This panel gives you access to additional library controls and makes it easier to manage where your projects live. If the sidebar is hidden, you may not immediately see the option you need, so this step is important. Once the sidebar is open, look toward the bottom of that panel and click Add Project Library. This is the option that allows you to create a brand new library instead of just opening an existing one. A project library in DaVinci Resolve is basically a container that holds your projects, so creating one can help you keep your work better organized, especially if you want separate libraries for different clients, types of edits, or workflows. When the setup window appears, you'll be able to name the project library and choose where you want it to be saved. Give it a name that will be easy to recognize later. It's a good idea to use something clear and specific so you can identify it quickly if you end up creating multiple libraries over time. Then browse to the location where you want to store it. If you're working from a computer with multiple drives, take a moment to choose the location carefully so it's easy to back up and find later. After you've named it and selected the save location, that's it. You've created your project library. From there, you can start using it to store and manage your DaVinci Resolve projects. One quick tip before you go: if this library will contain important editing work, make sure it's stored in a location that gets backed up regularly. That can save you a lot of trouble later on. And that's how to create a project library in DaVinci Resolve.